Hello guys, and let's play. I don't know this. I think I forgot his name game. Let's go. And this is my favorite offline game. And if you have Wi-Fi and she have ads, and if you have no Wi-Fi, you don't have ads. Okay. I'm first time to English. Please react my English language. But I'm Filipino, not English. Natuto lang ako, guys. Tatagalog na tayo. I've been Tagalog for it and sana maintindihan yung English ko. Paulit-ulit. And again. So boring. I think it was I ready for it and what? How was that so hard? Wait. I've been trying. This is so hard. And let's play. This is my old games. Geometry Dash is name. And what? I think this is a newbie. This is our original. This is my favorite because so easy. Oh my god, how is that easy, bro? Okay, it's easy now. It's so harder now. And let's go. We can reach it. Go. Jump. Okay, go. This is I play now. And so good. So good. So good. God, this is so hard. Okay. Let's go. This is so good. No. Oh, 58. My cousin she read us 60 leba. Oh my god. How is so possible to reach 60, bro? Kaya nyo ba yun? Okay. It is so hard. I'm so tired now. Let's go. We can reach it. The 58th level. Let's go. This is so satisfying. Boop, 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 boop. Yep. Oh, be careful. Be careful only. Guys, bro, what is that? Guys, how old are you? Comment in the comment section, and I see it. Bro, what was that? And bye-bye. I'm so tired now.